Okay, so in these examples, first we're going to find the greatest common factor. So first I'm just going to factor out each of these. So it's 2xy is easy, right? 2 is a prime number. 2 is just 1 times 2, that's it. So we don't need to include the 1 because everything is divisible by 1. So it would be 2xy, 2 times x times y. I'm using the dot to show it. 4 would be, if we use the tree method, 4 is 2 times 2. And then x is by itself. So that would be 2 times 2 times x. Now we can find that we have a 2 and a 2 for both, and we have an x and an x. So the greatest common factor for both of those would be 2x. And the second example over here, I'm going to factor out each of these. So I'm just going to factor the numbers. The variables is pretty easy, but the numbers, 12, 2 times 6, right? 6 is 2 times 3, so 2, 2, and 3. 18 is 2 and 9, 2 times 9, and that would be 3 and 3, okay? So now let's write them out. So for 12, it would be 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3, right? 2 times 2 times 3, good, you can see. Yeah, okay, and then it would be x, y, z, x, y, z. Okay, and then 18 would be 2 times 3 times 3, x, y. Now what can we find that's alike? For numbers, we have a 2, and we have 1, 3 in both. And then for variables, we have x and y, okay? So bringing that all together, that would be 2 times 3, which is 6xy. And that is our greatest common factor. I'll make a second video talking about factoring.